Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Sheffield benchtop oven. Okay, so the standard retail price here is 149 New Zealand dollars in farmers, but we got this on sale during Black Friday. Okay, anyway, so I'll show you the features. So stylish stainless handle, then double insulated glass door, wide stable fit, and so here are the accessories. So this is the for baking and like grilling, and then there's a handle. Okay. Okay, I start unboxing this one so you can see what's inside. So now it's in upside down. See, here's the accessory, like the grill, then the like a baking tray. Then it comes with the documentation, like a user's manual, something. Okay. Then here is the oven. Check the plastic. Okay, let's have a close look. So this is the stainless handle, the same. Then double insulated glass door. So sticker. So glass here, also glass here. Then see what's inside. And there's a tongue here. The tongue. Then here's the it's the setting for temperature from 0 to 230 degrees Celsius. Then there's a indicator light if it is on, power. Then there's mode, so if you want to use a top and bottom what do you call this, the heater. Then this one just the bottom, this one just using the top. Okay, so you have an option here. Then off. Then this one did the time, you can see. So you have like how many minutes. Okay, so that's it. So need to remove this one later on and do the some test. I have removed this tray holder, so you can just put the tray in. Here. Yeah. Or have a possible the middle. Yeah, there's another one here, top. But normally put it here. You can try this one as well. oops, plug in the oven to the power outlet. So let's try to test it. Maybe just set to 150 or just make it a minimum 100. Just see if it's working. Then set to like the top heater, top element. Then maybe just set to just a short while. See, it is on. Then it should be heating up. Let's see this here. Heavier temperature sensor. So you can see now it's 100 degrees Celsius at the top. Bottom is not, just effect of the top element. Maybe you can try to set this to the bottom. Then this one should rise up as well. See, it's climbing. So it's working. Then the top one should be going down because I selected the this one, that's the bottom. See, now it's heating up. Then let's try now. The top one is getting low. Then we try the both top and bottom. So make sure it is working for top and bottom at the same time. So this one is still climbing. So you see 129 now, and this one at the top is 131. That's really quick. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. Just turn this off first. Just select the off, then turn that off. Make sure this one is going down. So it will take a while, but it's going down. You can see this one as well, the bottom. Go down. Nice, 124, going down. Okay, that's it. So again, thank you for watching. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.